get from where you are to where you want to go, it's a very simple decision.
It's possible for you and me as average people to live an above average lifestyle if we're willing to put in the work.
This is the best of the best. So, here's the question. What is stopping you?
If a person decides that they want to achieve something in life, they can.
What's stopping you from making that goal a reality?
So in my opinion, we have a huge responsibility. We are at the right place, at the right time, at the right moment, with the right leadership.